is called.
We're gonna play
It's
Monkey on
just
the
a
Shelf.
running memory by
Okay.
the Caretaker in 2016.
You're it. Okay, everyone, go to the shelf. That's not it. Looks like Lee is dead right now. Lee, we're starting. Okay, Lee, come to the shelf. So, do you want to do a free round first, or do you want to go ahead and delete an item?
Free round.
Okay, Lee, whenever you're ready, start from this shelf. Let's wait on him.
You throw your controller.
Oh yeah, I should probably put the straps on my controller. Yeah. Okay, Lava Monkey, come inside.
Come inside, it's fun inside, it's the
This is a free round. And start.
Free round. Why do you have to go the hard way? What's the
Because
point?
it's fun.
Good point.
Okay, I don't want to hit my wall. Got it painted. Ow! Ooh! I'm in the shelf.
Did you not just touch the floor?
No,
we
were going back.
We're coming back.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Okay, everyone get tagged until he is it again, because he does not know how to play Monkey on the
sorry.
Shelf.
I know how to play Monkey on the Shelf. I
Obviously,
didn't realize
he
you
does
went
not.
to the end.
Okay, tag all
I'm
on.
fine with being it. I'm fine with being
Okay, I guess Izzy will be it then.
Yeah, okay.
I'll get rid of this.
Alright.
The heads.
Yeah.
You can't delete the heads unless it's on a separate turn. You can't do them on the same time.
I know. Boom, boom.
I'm still safe.
And remember, you can only delete one wall in the entire game.
I'm still on here.
Buddy got it.
I'm on it.
Why are you down there?
Because this is... You can either go...
Oh, you're...
Oh, jeez.
Ah, tag lag, bro. Okay. We're both it now. I delete...
Did I already get rid of this? Did I
Boom.
already get rid of that? No, I didn't.
We delete this. Okay, go.
Got a wall run.
Some wall running monks up in here. See this? Oh, did not mean to tag you. I was right here and your character jumped.
I won! I won!
No, you guys, it was a good.
No, you didn't. Hands are now stuck in the shelf. Okay.
How do you accidentally juke someone? Well, I guess
Bro, my hand went through you. Play that back. Play that back.
I got stuck in.
Oh, tag lag!
Who's it? Ooh. Lee, what you deleting? I know we have free round first. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Monkeys! Did not see that. Okay.
Holy.
Looking at you. You touched the ground, clearly.
I made it there way faster. Whoa, whoa.
I'm safe. Let me get on the top.
I'm deleting this. I'm deleting this.
Okay.
Okay.
How'd you tag me?
How did you get tagged? I didn't tag you. I was just walked over here. I even got out here before you even got here.
I think I'm gonna be it. Yep. Monkeys!
Well, how do you guess that?
Skill. Okay.
Oh, it's because you're the only one who hasn't been the one yet.
Yes, monkey's on the shelf.
Free round.
What happens
Yes,
when you
free
turn
round.
on?
Go. Ooh.
Holy crap, that was insanely close. Oh my god, that was close.
Lee, get him. Yeah.
Bro, what the hell?
You ain't safe.
Yeah, I tried going from
I
that
made
one
it to the
this one,
mirror.
but I missed.
I just want to
Yeah,
add
and then you can
that
get
kid
tagged on
does
your way
not know
back.
Purple. He does not know how monkeys
No,
on the
you
shelf
can't.
works. So
Yes,
I'm
you
gonna go ahead
can.
delete the next
That's
part
not how
because it's
monkey on the
basically just
shelf
an
works.
argument because he's a little dumb.